What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Ryan here with More Bleed Travels, and we just made our way to Costa Maya. Just getting off the ship, gonna go exploring the little port area for the day. Getting off at 11:30, we gotta be back at 6:30. I think we sail away at 7. Man, I am excited. I've never been to Costa Maya. How are you feeling about Costa Maya?
I am excited.
Excited to be in Mexico. Alright, so we are winging it for today. No real clear plan on what we're doing. Just gonna explore. See what we can get into, see what kind of trouble we can find. When you enter the cruise port area, you're greeted with this pretty dope ass mural featuring Frida. You walk past a couple of stores, you're shuffled into the center of this area. And if you look up the long pole, you'll see the Papantla Flyers. This performance is called the Danzo de los Voladores, the Dance of the Flyers. This ritual dates back to Mesoamerica. It was originally intended to ask the gods to end a severe drought. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Sitting there sweating to death. Hot. As you continue to walk through the cruise port, you'll see all kinds of little shops. Some of these shops were a little expensive for what it was. I feel like it's because it's like a super touristy area that you really have to come through. That, you could find cheaper things elsewhere. But definitely have a look. There's also a pool here that we didn't know about. Pool with the bar, pretty dope area, flamingos. There's an aviator and aviary area. They got the bird show thingy in the middle of here as well, which is pretty cool. What's up, guys? Alright, so you know we're in Mexico. Gotta do tequila while I'm here. Have to. Let's see what we got. Alright. Tequila for breakfast. This is how we start the mornings on vacation. Whoa. Nobody wants to do this, but you have to. It's Mexico. I know.
I'm a weak sauce.
That shot was a little rough, but we survived it. Alright, so made our way to La Playa and ran into some bullshit already. Stopped. So we didn't have exact cash to get here, and we were trying to pay either a combination of pesos or a combination of dollars, both. And dude passed us off to the restaurant. They tried to charge us a whole bunch of extra shit for it. Man, so bill came out to be like 68 bucks. Some kind of way I ended up paying 86 bucks on a $68 bill. And that was before tip. And then he was mad that I didn't tip him. How the hell there's an extra 20 bucks on there, and they wanted an extra 20 bucks on top of that, plus tip. So whenever you guys come to Costa Maya, don't let these tell you that there's a $10 fee to leave the port and you need a ticket. Just pay the $4 to get in a cab to come to the beach, and you're good. So one thing I failed to really explain was what happened clearly, because I was mad. So we got in a cab. Cab was $4 a piece, US, to get to the beach from the cruise port.
no problem. But we each had large bills. One of us had large dollar bills, one of us had large pesos. Cab driver said he didn't have any change, so he passed us off to one of the local restaurant guys. This is where I started smelling the bullshit. So, restaurant guy was supposed to collect the money for the cab driver. Cool, no problem. So we sat down, had some drinks, patronized the business. All went well until we got the check. $68 for the drinks, a little expensive. We knew what the drink prices were. That wasn't the problem whatsoever. The problem came when my $68 bill somehow magically with taxes and kitchen tip came out to be $86. Conceiving, no problem. Was gonna pay it. Said tip right on the thing, so I wasn't gonna tip the duty any extra because there was already a $20 tip and service fee on top of it. Here's the kicker. These guys tried to charge us $10 each for beach access. We came literally straight from the cab, sat at a table, ordered drinks, got our check. Where was there any indication that there was gonna be a $10 charge to get to the beach? They asked us if we had a ticket to come, like we were supposed to get a ticket to leave the cruise port. No, it's $4 per person to get to the beach. You don't have to pay a fee, nothing. We found out there was a family of five next to us that paid the $10 each. So they got them for an extra $50. Don't let these fools rob you, yo. Don't get got like we did. Anyway, back to the video.
I'm giving myself 5 minutes to be upset about it, and then everything's done, right? We out of there. Nobody's chasing us, hauling ass after us. There are so many massage places along the beach. Like, I've never seen, like, the 30 some odd countries I've never seen this many massage places like in one area. Like every stand you go, I'll show you. It's a lot. Good times in Costa Maya. Got out, explored a little bit, made our way to the beach. Got robbed, and then didn't get robbed. Who knows how they do things here? For what it is, this place is expensive. Like, legitimately, it's like a mix of Puerto Morelos and Playa del Carmen. The way that the beach is set up, along with like this main strip of shops, like right here. If you go to Puerto Morelos, you'll see the main strip of shops. And then if you go to Playa del Carmen, you'll see like the beach strip with all of the bars and stuff along with it. This is like a nice combination of both. The cool thing is, still in the same state, so they're all connected. They're all connected. Gotta find an ATM to be able to pay for this taxi ride back. One thing I want to let you guys know, these standalone ATMs are sketch in Mexico. A lot of times the cartel has a hold of them, and you'll pull out cash, it'll charge you for pulling out cash, but it won't give you the cash. So last time I did this in Cabo, they tried to jack me, and I got an alert, a fraud alert on my account. So a little nervous. It is what it is though. If they want to jack me, I'll get it back. Alright, so we made our way back from town. Getting ready to go back on board the ship to show you guys some fun stuff. Alright, so walking through here, we were able to see some dolphins that were like right here. Let's see if I can get them to pop up. Yo, this is cool. It's right here.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restless nights
Guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end this one. Finished up the day at Costa Maya. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Man, hanging out on this cruise, still have another couple days left. Be sure to check out the rest of these videos. Anyway, Costa Maya was dope. Don't get robbed, and we will catch you in the next one.
infinite vastness of all that is blackness.